Good afternoon, students. This is Dr. Nigar Ahmed, Assistant Professor, Government Shahid Kaushal Yadav College, Gundardehi, Balod District. This is my final video for the students of BSc, BA, BCom, BHSC final year. In this video, I will be teaching you about essay writing. Essay writing. Let us see what is essay writing. Essay writing is an art. It is a writer's story from his perspective. There are no boundaries or limitations of the thoughts. To make an essay effective, we need to take care that there is an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Now, what is introduction? Introduction should be short. Better if it is in one paragraph. It should impress the reader and create an interest. For example, give a short definition of the given topic. If your essay is based on an incident or experience, have a brief description to create the atmosphere for the main theme. Body. It is followed by the introduction of the essay. The body contains main point. Rather, it is the core of the essay. The body is based on outline plan. The body of the essay should tie into transitional sentences in the introduction. The sentences should describe specific example that relate to the point you are talking in the introduction. The body should have a concluding statement too that makes it clear to the reader that this is the final major point you will make. Next is conclusion. It is the last part of the essay, like the introduction. The concluding part of the essay should be very impressive. It should give a clear signal that the essay is going to end. It should provide a brief substance of the topic. It may be in the form of morals. The language and the structure of sentence should be simple, relevant, and impressive. Now let us see what are the characteristics of a good essay. Avoid repetition of incident and description. Try to express thoughts in an attractive way. Always try to demonstrate your insight into the given subject. Focus on the unity of the sentence, coherence, and completeness. If there is a word limit, then make sure it is within the word limit. Use punctuation signs. To understand better, let us discuss a topic of the essay, say condition of women in India. I am discussing some crucial points. Condition of women in India is deplorable. Efforts are being made to uplift them economically and socially. The main problem of women's upliftment are female education, poverty. Dowry has been one of the hurdle in the upliftment of women. Poor presentation in legislatures are also one of the causes in the condition of women in India, which may be deplorable. To improve condition, welfare program should be organized. All the people should be educated in the right direction to eradicate social evils and improve the condition of women. Modern educated youths are in the view of supporting the status of women. NGOs such as Korea India, ActionAid India are working towards the upliftment of Indian women. Government has introduced various programs and schemes for education, employment, entrepreneurship for women in India. The position of women, modern women, has improved a lot as compared to what was in the past. Women are participating equally with men in society in all aspects. In the past also, women had contributed their valuable services. For example, Mother Teresa, President Pratibha Patil, or say singer Lata Mangeshkar, who are the source of inspiration for other women. So it is important that both men and women should be educated properly with equal importance. All the people should be educated in right direction so that social evils may be eradicated and the condition of women may improve much more. These are some of the points with which you are able to write the essay properly. So let me discuss another example. Television as a means of education. We all know television is one of the greatest blessings of science in the present age. 2/3 of Indian population who do not know how to read are benefited by the use of television. Television in India has been developed as a powerful mass media. Most of the program telecast and relayed are free from government control. So the main purpose of television is to create an atmosphere of national integration, education, social reform and recreation. Television programs, they give entertainment, information, advertisement, like the radio and the newspaper. The importance of television grew after 80s. At the initial stage, the television stations were set up only in the metro cities. In the 6th 5-year plan, 80 full-fledged television stations and studios and 150 relay centers were made active. So television, they relay various kinds of program including news, match, quiz time like KBC, interviews, religious program, etc. Therefore, the launching of communication satellite space has made television an international character, thus making the world appear much smaller. People from remote corners can watch what is happening all over the world. So, this is a brief description on television as well as on the condition of women. You can write better, and I hope this will definitely help you in writing in a better way, in an elaborate way, I should say. Thank you. Dear student, so you can see below is another example given about essay writing with an introduction, body, and conclusion. The topic of the essay is English in India, importance of English in India. I hope this will help you. Thank you.